If you are considering investing in cryptocurrency for the first time, you will be entering a new and established trading space that has since surpassed a market value of $1 trillion. Want to know what's happening in the crypto market? Do you want to know where to invest this money to get maximum profit? In this beginner's guide video, we will teach you everything you need to know about investing in cryptocurrency. Hello and welcome to Money on the Wall, your daily guide to making money by spending money. Key topics covered in this video include selecting a safe and low-cost cryptocurrency exchange, choosing the best digital currencies for your portfolio, and investing in less than 5 minutes. So, without further ado, let's get straight into this. Steps to invest in cryptocurrency. In under 5 minutes, you can invest in cryptocurrency through a regulated online broker by following simple steps. Best of all, when you use eToro for this purpose, you can instantly pay for your cryptocurrency investment in US dollars without incurring any transaction fees. There are over 100 online exchanges and brokers where you can invest in cryptocurrency. When deciding where to invest in cryptocurrency, we recommend going with a regulated provider to ensure that you can invest safely. It is also a good idea to select a platform with low fees and support for your preferred cryptocurrencies. The sections discussed ahead will provide reviews of places to invest in cryptocurrency assets safely and affordably. 1. eToro. eToro was founded in 2007 and has become one of the best copy trading platforms with diverse asset classes, making it an excellent choice for learning how to make money with cryptocurrency. This includes everything from ETFs and index funds to Forex and commodities, in addition to cryptocurrencies. You will have access to over 60 cryptocurrencies here, all of which can be purchased for as little as $10. This means you'll have access to both the best future cryptos and other coins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and ApeCoin. You will also have access to the next cryptocurrencies that could explode in 2022. 2. Webull. When investing in cryptocurrency, you no longer have to risk large sums of money, especially if you have an account with a broker like Webull. Simply put, this top-rated brokerage site allows you to buy and sell cryptocurrency for as little as $1 per transaction. And best of all, there is no minimum deposit required when you open an account. As a result, you can deposit $1 to get a sense of how the cryptocurrency platform at Webull works. With that said, it's best to use ACH when depositing funds here because there are no transaction fees. On the other hand, domestic bank wires are charged $8 per transaction. Nonetheless, another significant advantage of using Webull to invest in cryptocurrency is that you will not be charged any commissions. Market spreads start at 1% in this region, so keep that in mind when calculating your investment costs. Webull pretty simple, even for beginners. Gemini is also a highly regulated exchange. This includes a license from the New York State Department of Financial Services, NYSDFS, so you should be safe. Gemini, like Coinbase, is, however, one of the most expensive cryptocurrency exchanges on the market. For example, any cryptocurrency investment over $200 will incur a standard commission of 1.49% per slide. If you trade less than $200, you will be charged a flat fee based on the size of your investment. In either case, the percentage will be greater than 1.49%. Another thing to remember about Gemini's pricing structure is that while debit and credit cards are accepted, they will cost you 3.49% of the purchase price. This is why it is best to deposit funds at Gemini via wire transfer free of charge. Gemini supports 75 plus leading cryptocurrencies in terms of supported markets. This includes coins such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, as well as Chainlink, Zcash, and Bitcoin Cash. Finally, Gemini provides an earning tool that allows you to earn interest on your cryptocurrency investments. Is cryptocurrency a good investment? Like any other asset class, a cryptocurrency investment does not guarantee a profit. Furthermore, keep in mind that cryptocurrencies are volatile and speculative. As a result, before you decide to invest in cryptocurrency, you should consider both the benefits and the risks. Beginners should consider starting with the best beginner cryptocurrency to invest in. Alternatively, you can read our guide on investing $2,000 for a comprehensive breakdown of where some traders put their money in 2022. Some of the world's largest and most powerful corporations are now experimenting with cryptocurrency, proving beyond doubt that this industry is here to stay in the long run. For example, Tesla, one of the world's largest companies with a market capitalization of more than $1 trillion, invested $1.5 billion from its balance sheet in Bitcoin in late 2020. Then there are companies like Overstock, PayPal, Microsoft, and Starbucks, all of which accept Bitcoin as payment for their respective products and services. Another major reason why people are investing in cryptocurrency is that digital assets now allow you to profit on two fronts. First, as previously stated, you will profit from your cryptocurrency investment if the token's value rises in the open market. However, you can earn passive income by depositing your digital tokens into crypto savings accounts. For example, if you deposited your Bitcoin into Akru, you would earn 7% interest per year. This can be accomplished without the need for you to sell your cryptocurrencies. Even if your tokens are stored in a crypto interest account, you will still profit if the token's value rises. When you hear the term penny cryptocurrency, it simply refers to digital tokens worth less than $1. As a result, you can look into the cheapest options with our best cryptos under $1 guide. It is critical to remember that just because a cryptocurrency is inexpensive does not imply that you are taking on increased risk. After all, a cryptocurrency's value is determined by the number of tokens in circulation and its current market price. Crypto is the future of technology and will take over the entire world whether you like it or not. That's all for today. If you found this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Also, turn the notifications on so you won't miss any future updates. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.